Vegan calcium, protein and omega-3 in a delicious dessert. We need some soaked almonds, soaked sesame seeds, soaked dates and chia or sabja seeds. Start with adding just a little bit of water in the seeds and mix it well. Now keep adding small amounts of water and keep stirring it, because if you add it all together then it will become very lumpy. You will see just in another minute or so the seeds will swell up like this. Now keep this aside. Peel the almonds. Add these peeled almonds to the blender. Now drain the sesame seeds and add them to the blender. Now remove the seeds from the dates. And add them to the blender as well. We have all the ingredients ready. Just add a little bit of water. Not a lot at this time. We just want to make a thick paste. Blend this to form a nice thick paste. It will look like this. Now add a bit more water and blend this well. Give it a nice shake and pour it into a serving bowl. Now add the chia or sabja seeds and mix it thoroughly. It will look like this. Pour it into serving bowls and garnish with some more seeds. Your delicious dessert with protein, calcium and omega-3 is ready. Enjoy!